Hey folks, welcome back to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to share how to make curry leaves spice mix or Karuveppilai Podi at home. This is a small quantity, so you can easily make this spice mix using your coffee grinder or using the Indian mixture jar. For this we need to roast chana dal, half cup of chana dal without any oil until it is deep golden color, and then in the same pan roast urad dal. Set aside the chana dal and then roast the urad dal. The ratio to urad dal and chana dal is 1:1. That's how my mom does, and I'm following the same recipe. And once you roast the urad dal, now we are going to roast all the spices. For this, I'm using 5 red chilies, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a small betel nut size tamarind. Tamarind is optional, but I like the light kick that it gives, so I always add that. Roast it well, and now we are going to add 2 cups of fresh curry leaves, approximately 40 grams. These are fresh curry leaves that I rinse thoroughly and I let it dry, and then I'm adding it here. Make sure there isn't any moisture. Reduce the heat to low and gently roast the curry leaves until it's crisp. It doesn't need to be super crisp, but it has to absorb all the moisture and it has to wilt. Add asafoetida as well. You can add the asafoetida along with the lentils or with curry leaves. You can do it either ways. As you can see, the curry leaves is crisp now. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'm going to grind the curry leaves, red chilies along with salt first. You can add salt cautiously because this curry leaves powder, we typically mix it with rice and eat, so you can add salt at that stage also. So for this I have used about 1.25 teaspoon of salt. You can go up to 1.5 teaspoon, but like I said, add cautiously. Then add the lentils and grind it into a fine powder. Like I said, you can very well grind this in mixture jar or in coffee grinder. Transfer it to a plate. Let the spice mix cool before storing it in an airtight container. You can also mash all the lumps. You can use this curry leaves powder along with rice or for idli, dosa, and you can also use it in different ways, which I'll be sharing in shorts. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you.